Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making instant healthy idli. For this we need capsicum very finely chopped, onion, sprouted green gram, tomato, fruit salt, curd, ginger, salt, garlic, mustard seed, curry leaf, green chili, coriander leaf. In a bowl take 150 grams of semolina, add curd, pinch of salt and mix it very well. Now add approximately 250 ml of water and mix it about 2 to 3 minutes. So the lump of curd will dissolve. Now take a frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, let them crackle, add 4 to 5 curry leaf, add 1 very finely chopped green chili, cook it for half a minute, add half a teaspoon of very finely chopped ginger, half a teaspoon of very finely chopped garlic, mix it, add 2 teaspoons of finely chopped onion, cook it for half a minute, add sprouted green gram, toss it up, cook it for 1 minute. Now add 2 teaspoons of finely chopped tomato, toss it again, add little salt or salt to taste and toss it again. Now add half a bowl of very finely chopped capsicum, half a teaspoon of coriander leaf, mix it and cook it for 1 minute. Now put it on idli batter, add 1 teaspoon of fruit salt, 1 teaspoon of water and fold it very gently and put the idli batter in it, and after 4 to 5 minutes your very healthy instant idli is ready. Thank you.